Hi folks, today I'm going to do a quick review on the Blink security camera that I've had now for about a year and a half. And I thought it'd be a good time for me to do this review because I've actually have used the product. First of all, a short disclaimer, I am not being paid or did I receive the product at no cost. I did buy the product, I used it, and that's what drove me to kind of do this quick review because it is actually something that I would continue to buy. There are some pros and there are some cons that I like to go over real quick with you. I don't want to make this a very lengthy video, but I'm going to go ahead and just quickly touch on all the good points, and then there's a couple negative things that I want to talk about. One of the neat things about this camera though is that it is small in size. Okay, they both have a version of the interior and the exterior. This particular black model is the exterior camera. It is small in size, totally waterproof. The neat thing about it is you could also put the camera up to 100 feet away from the sync unit, which actually makes it very convenient because you can go ahead and put this sync unit anywhere in the house, and as long as you are within 100 feet away, you can actually get it to communicate to each other. The software that you download as far as an app is extremely easy to use. So that's what it looks like when you go to the App Store. You download that particular software, and they have a really easy setup where in the back of the camera there's a barcode that you can go ahead and just scan the camera, give it a name, and you're pretty much done. It's very easy to set all the settings on it. You could actually go ahead and set clip time, trigger time, sensitivity. You can pretty much do everything on the camera. Very extremely user friendly. If I can do it, man, anybody can. So now they do have a version of this camera that is actually two-way communication. The one that we purchased is only one way because I've had it for at least a year and a half, as I mentioned earlier. Now they continue to improve the product. On the not so positive side, to me, I like to be able to access this from my desktop. They have not developed that software yet. So the only way you can access the camera is through your personal device, an iPhone, an iPad, or any other type of handheld device. Now, the other thing I want to make you aware of is that if you are placing this camera in a direct sunlight, I have found in our case that the Arizona sun is hot. And when the camera is in direct sunlight, those batteries are not going to last the 2 years that they advertise. And keep in mind that the 2-year life that they recommend depends on how many times the camera is triggered. But overall, it is a great camera, and it's a great price, and it's actually something that is really easy to install. Now, the one that's in direct sunlight, they recommend you use lithium batteries. Now, because I've had to replace them a couple times because of the heat, you can go with just about any. You can go alkaline. You can use any battery. They last about the same. Girl, I'm trying to talk here. What's wrong? Go get your ball. You want to play with your ball? Go get your ball. Okay. Back to the review. Where were we? What? Yes. In conclusion, if you're looking for a quality camera, easy to install, easy to operate, and inexpensive with no monthly fee, the Blink is the way to go. I'm very happy with it. Amazon offers different packages. We personally started with the 3 camera package, and we added as we needed. So down below there is a link. If you're interested in something like this, then I encourage you to go down and take a look at it and see if it works for you. Thank you folks, and until next time.